Among the waking branches, movement signals life in constant motion.
Every surface, every thread, is part of a greater woven ecosystem.
Color dances in the warming air as the forest breathes deeply.
Rivers carve their way through the jungle, carrying stories with every current. Signs of a silent hunter remind us who truly rules these shadows. Here, every path narrows into mystery and the unseen. The sky has its guardians too, rulers of vertical worlds.
Life moves at many speeds, all perfectly tuned to survival.
Vivid wings slice the silence in brilliant flashes of red and gold.
Even the forest floor teems with relentless purpose. Beneath calm waters lie jaws shaped by millennia of survival.
In curious eyes and restless energy, the river's guardians appear. Heavy-footed yet gentle, the tapir walks ancient paths.
Patience defines the predator, waiting for the perfect instant.
And deeper still, the true heart of the Amazon begins to reveal itself.